So, I'm back. I cleaned out the bench a bit because today I'm gonna work on a kind of a tank. Today we have this bad boy to clean up. I need to clean several parts of it because this was not running properly. I already lubricated, and I hope I get this more shiny, get this tarnish here a bit off. It's a bit greasy, and I hope I can get it to run like a sewing machine again. So hope you like this, and yeah, we will see how it goes. It's all new to me. Opened this up, and I found a bit of carpet right here. So I think cleaning this was not overrated. Keep on tuning and clean this with some sewing machine oil. And yes, well, it's not bad. I hope I have this working today or tomorrow. Okay, I'm a bit further in the project. Here you can see the carpet is out. Most of the dust and grime is gone. This is almost shiny. I like that it has some tarnish left, but it has to function right. The oil is doing its job too, and this was all grimy. There's some left. I tried to polish it a bit. I used it old stuff that I have. Meccano for aluminium, nickel, chrome. I think it's French. So it works great. I'm now busy to polish the wheel a bit, and then I had to lubricate the underside, and then I tried to get it back in place in the treadle. So I think we will be there.